So I am welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kiba, and today I'm going to be doing a vision board. I know I had did a vision board and put on YouTube before, but I'm going to do a new completely one, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it on Canva. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search wallpaper because you want to put it on your wallpaper on in your phone because you want it to wake you know how nowadays everybody use their phone, so as soon as you go on your phone you see it, and I remind you to never give up on your goals and never give up on your vision. So I'm going to check wallpaper. Okay, let's give it some time. I'm going to put tan because I want like a tan color wallpaper. Okay, I'm gonna look for a tan one. I like this one, so I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna customize it. I'm gonna get rid of this just for now. Okay, so I'm gonna put search for. I'm gonna go to elements. Sorry, I'm trying to explain it. Go little by little, and I'm gonna search photo book, photos. We're gonna put photos, but I'm gonna go to graphic because you want it like a little photo book. So it could be nice, neat, look cute. Gonna pick this one. Gonna change the size because that's too big. You know what? Yeah, I could do that later. What I was gonna do. I'm gonna do what I was gonna do later. And then what is it not? Oh, let me cancel that. Mm, I'm gonna move it because I want to put words later on. I'm gonna move it. You gotta play with it because sometimes it gets stuck, so you have to just play with it. See, you gotta move it around and play with it. I start with the bottom and work my way up. Make another copy. Make another copy. Okay. Make another copy. Make another copy because it's gonna be 5. One is gonna be in the middle, like that. And now I'm gonna get my pictures. So I already have my pictures from my first um vision board I did on Facebook. So I'm just gonna grab the picture, copy and paste. So let me go find the pictures. Okay, copy. Sorry about that. So I found the photos. So I typed in photo. That's it. And then I picked this one in the middle. Voila. And then you click on. Yeah. And now I'm gonna add my pictures that I already have on there. Okay. Again, you gotta play with it because sometimes it move it here. But then now I got to make it turn it so it could, yeah. And then I'm gonna size it like this. I'm just making sure it's still recording. I'm gonna size it to your liking. You gotta keep playing around with it. Size it to your liking. Okay, we're gonna keep it like that for now. We have to change it, we can change it. And then I gotta get the second one. I don't, where's the second one at? No, let me go find it. Okay. We gotta move it around. We gotta adjust it so it could fit. So we gotta turn it, turn, return. Much better. To your liking. It's gonna be different. So your liking. The way you want it to be. What did it do? Okay. Sorry, it was doing something. Had to make sure it was still recorded. I'm sizing it to your liking. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. I want to fix this a little more to make this a little more. This one, I don't like how this one looks. Okay, let's just. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. And then the other one. This is my money hat thing. That means saving because I want to save. Just play with it. Just showing you how it goes. The next one. Okay, let me fix this a little more. So I keep playing around with it. Oops. When that happens, you just redo. See? Okay, okay. This is create because we're creativity of creating my YouTube, finishing my book that I started writing. That's why creativity create, which is gonna be creativity when I write down each what each represents. Maybe I have to make a fit more and get up a little more. Do that for now, and then oh no, that doesn't go there. Yeah, I put it in the wrong spot. That's not where I want to go. There's something else that's very special that I want to go in the middle. That's why. I'm gonna tell you about that in a minute. So what's gonna go in the middle? Let me bring this down. So, okay, what's going to go in the middle is this. So I'm gonna explain what it is in a minute. This is like outside and like the calmness and like the sun. So it represents calm, could represent exercise, yoga as well. Basically, the title I'm gonna give is self wellness. So um, whatever that self wellness means to you, it is self care, exercising, positive affirmations, focusing on yourself, and being, you know, making sure everybody's good physically, emotionally as well. So, and this is on my vision board because I want to make sure that everyone is. I want to help other people, so I want to use my user platform to really focus on self worth, focus on valuable of self. Helping people. I know, like during the pandemic, a lot of people was at home, so it's a lot of people who didn't have time to like self care, to go outside, to know friends, to travel. There's many people who don't have self esteem or don't feel like they good enough. So just having a platform to motivate people and to remind people of their self worth and to be that person for people. Yeah, but I'm also gonna be doing my self care, my self worth by helping people through affirmations and by you know exercising and drinking my diety to like lose weight and stuff. So all of that stuff, all of that good stuff. That's why it's in the middle because it's very important to me. Okay, so now that's ready. We are going to go on grid to make it look a little neat and nice lively. We're gonna write grid. We're gonna write grid. Okay, the computer is like okay. Grid. We're gonna go to graphic. We're gonna pick a grid. Which one do I want to pick? I'm gonna pick this one. It looks better. Looks nicer. And I'm gonna just do it in a way that it covers everything. Okay, and if I need to fix it by moving the picture down, I'm gonna move a little bit because okay. May have to erase the pictures and do it again because so it could look nice and neat. This is in the middle of this. Lose my grid, so I'm just going to. This will be in the grid. Cancel. Okay. Move this. Ooh, not the grid. Only that. Okay. Cancel. You have to play with it because it's okay. So once I do that, I play around with it a little bit. Then it ends up looking like this. See? So I just wrote anything worth having this time, that quote, in 2020, 24. And like I said, you can't really see it. So I have to do it. Okay. So like I said, I wrote the in the bottom. So drive, because I want to drive. Save, I want to save. Self wellness, which I explained to you already, is helping others to with their self care and helping others. Sorry, my phone out. Helping others their self care and self wellness and helping others with through affirmations during this time, and doing my own self wellness, self care by exercising, by drinking my specialty. It has honey in it. It has lemon in it, and it has cinnamon. Cinnamon to help you lose weight. So that travel, I like to travel, especially my birthday. I always like to travel. So traveling is gonna be a must. And creativity because I want to create more on YouTube and continue, working on my book. So yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you.